How to get shift lock on Roblox Mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you enable shift lock on Roblox Mobile. So let's get started. First, as I want to inform you that shift lock will allow to lock your camera in third person while moving, like giving you better control. But this thing will only work some limited games, like for the games which will support that settings. For that, simply open Roblox. After you open Roblox, you'll have to just open that games like Parker Obage or PvP. After you open that, at the left hand side, tap on settings icon. From the settings, you'll have to just look for the options for camera. After you tap on that camera mode, if you are able to find the options like shift, simply you'll have to just tap on that shift option. After you tap on that, you'll be able to lock your camera in third person while moving. This will fully depend whether your developer will allow you or not for that game. Simply after you find that, you'll be able to turn on or enable the shift lock on Roblox Mobile. And that's it. This is the method. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.